Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn what is a number system and how many type of number system do we have. So the first thing is, what is a number system? We can say that a number system is a technique of representing numbers. Now we all have used numbers everywhere around us, right? When we go to market, we pay for any product or any grocery, so we deal with numbers. Like we say how many kgs to give, or what is the price, how many rupees. So numbers we use everywhere, even if our marks which comes as a result, that is also the number. Okay, no. So how many type of number systems do we have? Basically we have four type of number system. Okay, the first one is decimal number system. The second one is binary number system. The third one is octal number system, and the fourth is hexadecimal number system. Now, the numbers that we use in our daily life, that is part of the decimal number system. So can you remember how many digits we have? If you remember correctly, we have 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. So that is the decimal number system. Decimal number system has got total 10 digits starting from 0 to 9. And this is the number system which is used by the humans. Then we have the binary number system. The binary number system is used by the computers, as the computer can only understand few digits, so we only have 0 and 1 for the computers, where 0 means no electricity or no voltage and 1 means presence of electricity. Now, the octal number system has total 8 numbers starting from 0 to 7, and the hexadecimal number system has total 16 numbers starting from 0 to 15, but the numbers 10 is represented using A, the number 11 is represented using B, 12 using C, 13 using D, 14 using E, and 15 using F. Because if instead of writing A, I write 10, so you may be confused if it is 10 or it is 10. So that is the reason why in the hexadecimal numbers we have the alphabets A to F that will represent 10 to 15. Now, since in decimal number system we have total 10 numbers, so we say that the base of decimal number system is 10, or we can say that base of any decimal number is 10, since it has total 10 numbers. Similarly, the binary number system has total 2 numbers, so the base is 2. Octal number system has total 8 numbers, so the base is 8. Similarly, the hexadecimal has base 16. Now, let me show you some examples. For an example, 157 base 10. This is an example of decimal number. Then 101101 base 2. It is an example of binary number system. Then 127 base 8. This is example of octal number system. Whereas 16A6D base 16 is an example of hexadecimal number. Now, you must be thinking, what is a base? So we can say that the total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. I repeat, the total number of digits that is used in the number system is called the base or the radix, and it is written just below the after the number. Okay, so in the next video, I will be explaining what is most significant digit and least significant digit in a number. Thank you.